What's going on, y'all? Joshua here, and after a fantastic hike-a-bike session in 90-degree temperatures up Old Farm, I am now dropping down into Snyder's Knob, and it is so loose. Wow, so dusty. The roots are actually pretty slippy. But that is one of the best drop-ins ever. And it's not over. Grab a couple gears right here though. Let's get up and over these rocks. And I stay this direction. Yo, nice route. Wow, that's actually getting kind of proper. It's so good, actually. Really need more of that. Now I'm on the Snyder's Knob proper. That was just the drop in off the fire service road if you're unaware. Go ahead and make sure I have the gears. Yep, good to go. This is probably the trickiest little rock section around right here. Definitely took me a good number of times to get it. Still not comfortable with the drop on that first one back there. Phew. All right, Snyder's Knob goods. Conquered. This is the little pedal out section. Whew. Crank arm clacker. Pedal sideways and on to Possum Track and back over to Old Farm. So I pushed back up the little loam drop in over here on Snyder's Knob because I thought to myself, I don't think I've ever shown anyone what happens when you go to the left. And since it was right there on the way to Old Farm, this is what you get when you go to the left. Boom. There you go. I'm back on the Possum Track and back headed to Old Farm. Just gotta grab gears. There you go. See y'all directly. Actually, in all trickiness, here's another one for you. Yeah. Whew! No joke. I don't believe I've ever cleaned that. Wow. It's in the handlebar. See y'all on Old Farm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is still like 90 degrees out. Wow. I am absolutely melting right now. Oh. I have so much sweat in my eyes, I can't see squat. Whew. There we go. Such a great trail. Definitely my fave. Whew. So wild. Phew. Nice rock kick right there. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Just made it this evening. Enjoy your hike. Thank you. Oh, I just clipped my toe as the pedal stroke on the left side went down to the ground. Ow! That hurt. I like wedged it due to the pedal position. Not exciting. Definitely knocked me off my pace. Whatever that was. Slow as molasses. First time in a while I popped them roots. That felt good. Just me. Thank you. Whew. Come on, gears. Yeah, you heard that? I'm done. So done. Okay, so I'm a little curious what my time was down Old Farm on the Stravs. Let's find out together, shall we? Okay, afternoon mountain the bike ride. Scrolly poly, scrolly poly. View all result. Hey, not to the shabs, y'all. 606, including a little traffic on the trail. Not too bad. So it's almost like my average, like, not pushing it time down the trail, but like giving it good effort. My average time starting to get closer to 6 minutes flat. Pretty solid right there. Happy with that, which means on a day that the conditions are really superb and I'm like all nutritioned up, I think I can beat my PR. Anyway, that's a wrap for this little adventure. Thanks for tagging along as always. And you can find me on the Stravs, if you so choose, at Joshua Better Than Not Good MTB, because I am better than not good. Alright, y'all. Go love thy neighbors and watch what the Lord provides for you. I'm out of here. Bye.